Hello there, I am Zariun. This is my channel. Motivate and support me by subscribing my channel. Thank you. In previous video, I have present a Flowgorithm explanation that helps us for this video. In this video, I will prepare a flowchart that helps us for the development of program source code. Easily you can develop a source code here. You have a skill of Flowgorithm software means almost you have designed a source code for a specific application. There are about here in this software about 100, I mean 18 programming languages. Here is C, C++, Java, JavaScript, PHP, Python, Excel, Visual Basic, and others. What I mean here, after developing a flowchart, it's possible to convert into this programming code by using source code viewer. Let me prepare a flowchart, for instance, to find out the product of two numbers. First, I have to declare. By default, you have a starting oval shape. The oval shape represents a symbol for flowchart of starting. I have to declare or define which data type is. Let me the first number say A, declaring the second number, defining the second number as P, which data type is integer, and product of the two number. Product is integer plus integer, it gives you product, I mean integer. And it's we should give an input for the representation of variable a. Therefore, as a string, this text will be displayed on the screen. Give the first number. For a. It displays on the screen here. This text. Give the first number. It should accept you an input from the keyboard. Therefore, we have to choose input parallelogram with an input variable a for a. And next is output again. Give the second number. The second number, which is the input B. The input is B. It accepts you an input any number from the keyboard input B. Then it sends into CPU, Central Processing Unit. The Central Processing Unit helps us for the case of calculation. Therefore, after inputting and NDB, the next step is giving these input values into CPU. Therefore, in case of CPU, we use a rectangle for the case of processing. Product A times B. We should assign. For the case of assigning formula, we should select a rectangle. Then the product of the two numbers as an output. We should choose a parallelogram output under quotation. If it is not, it is an error. We should write any string that displays on the screen should be under quotation, double quotation. The product of the two numbers is. We should close the double quotation, then space. We should choose ampersand and symbol. We say in computer ampersand. product. The spelling should be the right that we use here, product. This should be the same with product here. Same to for the case of declaration or defining product. If it is not, it doesn't give you the right output. Here there is a starting. Here the integer a, the integer b, define the two variables, and the product. The product is also defined. Then to display the text on the screen, you should choose the parallelogram, give the first number as an output. To give any value from the keyboard, we should choose the parallelogram input A, then output gives a number under double quotation. To accept as an input from the keyboard for B value, input B, and a rectangle for the case of assigning a formula product which is equal to A times P, and to give us an output that under double quotation the product of the two numbers is double quotation, then end product. Here is run. As you have seen here, we have got the right output. Give the first number. Give the first number. That is the text written here. Give the first number as an output. There it is placed. To accept this A value, the first number is A, therefore 12 for instance. Then enter or click on here. Give the second number. What's the product? The product of the two numbers is 36. It is right. To change the number, again run. Use the first number, for instance, this value, this much. Second number, this much. It gives you the product. The product of the two numbers is this much. I have finished to display this. How can we change into source code? As you have seen, here is the source code viewer. We have prepared the flowcharts, means almost we have prepared the program. You have a program code here, as you have seen, using Visual Basic. You can change into C#, or you can change into C++, or you can change into Java, or you can change into JavaScript or Python. For instance, in this program is the flowchart is changed into, converted into this type of program that is used in Python. Let me save this. Save. It is saved as extension with .py. Location under documents, for instance, product. Saved as Python scripts. And close this. Open Python programming language. I have already installed the Python programming language, ideally. Now, under ideally interactive interpreter, new file that helps us to prepare a step-by-step course, text editor. And I have a code open. It is already saved under documents. From Flowgorithm. Documents, product. What's the name of the file is product. Product.py. Here is opened in Python. Then I can run this because I have already saved. Give the first number, it says 12. Enter. Give the second number 3. The product of the two numbers is 36. By this means you can change a flowchart into programming code for today video. Thank you. I will continue in next time.